Hi, my name is Riley.
My name is McKinley.
My name is Carly.
And my name is Angelica, and this is Branching Out to Deforestation.
Pun intended.
We started this project on November 13th, which is 4 months from when we ended it on February 23rd. Some resources we use are Gale, our book of choice, cardboard, styrofoam, paper, paint, magnets, hot glue, plastic leaves, tissue paper, writing utensils, and twine.
Our novel of choice is Operation Redwood by S. Terrell French. This led us to pick the topic of deforestation since our book was on children attempting to stop the demolition of redwood trees. We initially wanted to do corporate corruption, however we couldn't find enough information on the topic when we attempted to research. Therefore, we had to adapt to these changes and created our project, Branching Out to Deforestation.
Pun intended.
Our questions began with the simple ones, beginning with what is, causes, and effects on the ecosystem. These were followed with questions that can narrow down information, like how can people stop deforestation and what are some examples, as well as what are some different perspectives. Our next question was what are some ways to respond to deforestation, then we started to narrow it to logging, asking what factors create logging as question 8 and where does logging occur as question 10.
In order to ensure accuracy, we use the database Gale. The database is a clear and reliable source to receive information from. Gale is also easy to navigate. We started by choosing the specific section of Gale. We looked through both the high school and the environmental studies sections of the database. This allows us to pinpoint the specific areas of study that would best suit our research.
When selecting facts, we chose facts concisely and orderly, choosing the best facts for our topic in many areas. Data and statistics, deforestation introduction facts, effects, and the list goes on. With Gale, we were able to find audio files, news articles, and books and works published with the topic. We sifted through the vast amount of information, making sure to choose different facts and unique facts, each fact standing out from one another. We also made sure to pull facts from many different sources and perspectives to show the full picture.
Our goal for this exhibit was to try and raise awareness of deforestation to the younger audience in a fun and engaging way. This is so it is easier for them to retain the information, and overall I think we were able to achieve this.
We made many different choices in the development of this project, both creatively and for practicality. One of the main things we wanted to do was create a treehouse.
However, at first we wanted to make a cause and effect matching game. We scratched out this idea because our chosen questions didn't all fit the category of cause and effect.
Then we decided to make a quiz in the format of a game with leaves and with the questions on it. From this, we then formed a treehouse. The day started out with us setting up our exhibit and practicing our presentation. When the fifth graders came in, we started the presentation. The fifth graders seemed extremely engaged in our presentation since our game that went along with it showed to encourage them to learn more facts about deforestation. As the day progressed, we got more confident in our presentation. An example of how engaged the fifth graders were, there was one group that started chanting, "Leave the trees alone."
In our research and project, we realized that deforestation is a much larger issue than most people realize. From humans alone, it could destroy the earth we know. This is why we hoped that we made a big impact on the fifth graders we taught and an even bigger one on ourselves. It made a large impact on our urgency to help and our urgency to learn more so that we can actually help ourselves and others to be the change.